Hey crafty peeps, what is up? Today I have an unboxing for you. I won a sweet little giveaway from Alex Syberia. My box just came in. There's even a sticker on it, so it already looks great. So, open this up. Right. I got this. It's your birthday foil plates. That is fun. With the matching die. I could not resist the Merry Mail stamp and die set. These are actually bigger than I thought they would be, which is really nice. I love those guys. Those are so cute. And the sentiments and the dies to cut out everything. Oh my gosh, even the little bird feet. That is cute. All right. Then I got the Falling Snow stencil. Just dipping my toes into Alex Syberia. This is my first order from her, but probably won't be my last. Thank you so much. Now I'm gonna go get crafty.